Assalamualaikum students of class 10. I hope to find you in the best of health and spirits. Today I'm here with a lecture of English and we are going to start our lesson number 3 from your textbooks, and that is a poem. The title of the poem says Try Again. The poet is W.E. Hickson, and the very title of the poem suggests the idea of trying again in life. If you remember the story of King Robert Bruce and the spider, when the king saw that his army was being defeated in the war, he hid himself in the cave, and there he saw a little spider. The spider was trying to reach its cobweb. It made 9 attempts while reaching the cobweb. It did not give up. And when the king saw the spider, it hit in his mind that the golden rule of life, that you must not give up in any case, but you keep on trying again and again. And after learning the idea of trying again, he gave defeat to his enemy. Why is it important to try again in life? Because it leads you guys to a successful life. It has much importance in this respect. It gives you moral strength. It gives you the self-confidence to achieve anything in life. You can do anything in life by trying again and again. There is no disgrace in failure. You must not give up in any certain case, but you keep on trying again and again. Students, here are the meanings of the poem. There are a few difficult meanings you can see here. You can take the screenshot so that you may note it down later. And I'm going to read every stanza, and I'll firstly translate it and then I'll paraphrase it the way the same paraphrasing or explanation the way you do it in your Urdu poems. So listen it carefully, and after that you will be able to summarize it on your own. The first stanza says, "This is a lesson you should heed. Try again." ये एक ऐसा सबक है जिस पर आपको तवज्जो देनी चाहिए. दोबारा कोशिश करो. If at first you don't succeed, try again. अगर आप शुरू में कामयाब नहीं होते हैं, दोबारा से कोशिश करें. Then your courage should appear. तब आपका हौसला, आपकी हिम्मत ज़ाहिर हो जानी चाहिए. For if you will persevere, इसलिए कि अगर आप साबित कदम रहेंगे. Persevere means साबित कदम रहना. To persist, to steadfast. You will conquer, never fear, try again. You will conquer, आप कामयाब हो जाएंगे. कभी भी किसी चीज़ का खौफ मत खाएं. Try again, दोबारा कोशिश करें. So I'm going to paraphrase it for you. What message this stanza is giving us. That the poet says that we should learn the rule of trying again. We must understand it and we must act upon it. He says that if we are not supposed to be successful at first, you must keep on trying again. Failure is a good teacher. You must not give up at the first attempt or the second attempt, but you must continue. A person who remains steadfast and keeps on trying, he becomes a very self-confident person. Even Allah also helps him and he becomes successful. So get rid of fear of failure or hurdles and keep on trying. The second stanza. Once or twice though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. Prevail means be successful or छा जाना. Once or twice though you should fail. अगर आप एक या दो दफ़ा नाकाम भी हो जाते हैं तो क्या हुआ? If you would at last prevail, अगर तुमने आखिरकार फतह पा ली, फिर से कोशिश करो. If we strive, there's no disgrace. अगर हम कोशिश करते हैं तो इसमें कोई ज़िल्लत नहीं. Though we did not win the race, अगरचे हमने वो दौड़ नहीं जीती, what should you do in that case? उस सूरत में आपको क्या करना चाहिए? Try again. दोबारा से कोशिश करो. What does the poet says? The poet advises us to continue struggle till we achieve success. A person who fails feels insult and gives up struggle. The poet encourages him and says that it doesn't make any difference if you fail once or twice. It is not a matter of disgrace to fail. But if you fail, we should not give up struggle. We should keep on trying till success, and there's no disgrace in failing anything. So the main or basic theme in the second stanza is also that you should try again in case of any failure, and there is no disgrace in it, there is no shame in it. Now the third stanza, if you find your task is hard, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका काम मुश्किल है, try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. Time will bring you your reward. वक्त आपको आपका अजर देगा. Try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. All that other folk can do, जब दूसरे तमाम लोग इस काम को कर सकते हैं, why with patience should not you? तुम क्यों नहीं सब्र के साथ इसे करना चाहते? Only keep this rule in view, सिर्फ इस असूल को मद्देनज़र रखो. Try again, दोबारा से कोशिश करो. In this sense, actually, the poet is giving us a lesson of being steadfast. You should show courage, boldness, and patience. The poet encourages us and says, if the task is hard, we should not give up. Do not give up in any case because of the fear of the failure. If other people can succeed, we can also succeed. Certainly, being steadfast will pay off in the end. Take try again as a rule because it is a gateway to success, and by trying again and again we can reach to our success. So you see that all in these three stanzas of the poem, the main or basic lesson is to try again. Now we are going to read the questions in these boxes. What does the word persevere? Persevere mean, I told you, persevere means to remain to persist and to remain steadfast. And the second box, the question says, if we strive, it is no disgrace. Explain this sentence. I already explained it in a very well way, that there is no shame in failing. You must not give up in any case, but keep on trying. And the third question in the third box says, why is the poet repeating the sentence try again? Actually, the poet repeats try again and again because he wants to stress upon the main idea that you should not give up in any case and to try again and again. This gives us the importance of trying again and again, and trying again in life leads to a successful life. Now have a look at the questions given in the boxes. The first question says, what does the word persevere mean? As I already told you, the word persevere means to remain steadfast. And the second question in the box says, if we strive, it is no disgrace. Explain this sentence. This line is being taken from the second stanza, and we discuss it, we paraphrase it, that there is no shame in trying again and again in striving, but we must keep on continuing. The third question says, why is the poet repeating the sentence try again? You see that try again in every stanza, it is almost 2 or 3 times. So what does the poet want to say? Actually, the poet wants to focus the main idea of the poem, and that is trying again. And this golden rule of life leads you to a successful life. This gives us and this tells us about the importance of trying again in our life. There's this theme of the poem. You must read it. We have already discussed it. After that, we are going to do this exercise. The first part of the exercise is vocabulary. You can see there are 2 parts, A and B. In the first part, you have to write the meanings of the following words, and in part B, you have to write the synonyms. The words are from your poem, and we have discussed it in the poem. You must keep it or write it in your notebooks. This is your home task. After that, there is a reading comprehension. Let's discuss it. I'm not going to read out the answers, but you must do it on your own because you have read the poem. Question number 1 says, what is the lesson taught in the first stanza? Okay, the first stanza, you have read it. You must read it again and give the main crux of that stanza, what is being told in the first stanza. Question number 2, what can we learn from failure? From failure, we can learn that we should try again and again. We should not give up. There is no disgrace in failure. We should continue to try again. Question number 3, how is failure not a disgrace? We already discussed it in the second stanza, and here the question was the same. So write it in your notebooks. Question number 4, how many times should we try and why? Okay, so what do you think? How many times should we try? I guess we should try or keep on trying unless we are succeeded, because there is no shame in continuing, or there is no shame in failure. Unless I'm going to get the success, I would keep on trying. Question number 5. What should we do if we find our task hard? It is the same question from your third stanza. If you find your task hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. So if you think that something is difficult and you can't handle it, so leave it to the time and keep on continuing. The time will bring you your prize or reward. Question number 6. Give an example of struggle from your life. If you want to write about it, you must tell about any struggle or any example you want to give from your life. You can write it about. I'm going to end the lectures, today's lecture, till the comprehension. We have done the poem, paraphrasing, and the summary I had told you guys, and then we did vocabularies, 2 parts, and then the reading comprehension. The rest of the exercise we will do in the next lecture, and till then you must complete your page number 29, and there are 3 questions: vocabularies, 2 parts, and comprehension. You must do it on your notebooks and send me the images of your home task. I'll be waiting for your homework. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.